I'm watching TV.
No, I'm watching TV.
Excuse me, but I think I'm watching TV.
I'm watching Phineas and Ferb. Got a problem with that? Let's settle this.
We'd love to see it. We'd have to wait a second. Okay, Eddie, thank you very much indeed.
That's it.
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Let's do this. I think he's down. Whoa! Here I come! Can't win this. Just give up. I want to watch Phineas and Ferb, so I am winning this. Oh God. Whoa. Whoa. Wait, time out! I need to pee. What, man? Come on, just do it. Wait, just wait there and watch TV. I just need to go pee, okay? Well, guess I win. Oh, a dog named Christmas. Let's see what that's all about.
Wherever I go, this dog is right by my side. In the middle of all this craziness, it's Charlie and your letters that have really kept me sane. I love and miss you with all my heart. George.
Dude, I don't want to watch TV. You win! Pause game. So fast. Whoa! I'm watching TV. You're not. Hey, relax. Jeez. What, Mom? Mom, can't you see that we're in the middle of a war? Oh, we want to watch TV. This is a war over TV. Okay. Whoa, no, please, don't. Oh! Stop this! Wait, stop! What TV show do you want to watch? A Dog Named Christmas. What? A Dog Named Christmas. It's a movie. What's it about? A dog named Christmas. You're a wise guy. Must get the channel remote. I win.
Your mum's asking. Are you recording?
Thanks, Mum. Right, this battle's over.
Haha, Connor wins. Oh, Harry Potter's on. Nice.